Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Manav Marketing stall at ACMEE show in Chennai, and I am here with Mr. Ebrahim and Mr. Abdeen from Glow Radio Private Limited. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah,
Can you please explain me about your company?
the Globe Radio Private Limited is in Sipcot Kangaikondan in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. We have been manufacturing paper mill machineries for the past 50 plus years,
Wow,
and we are manufacturing mainly the slitter revender machines for the paper mill, and we are selling all over India and exporting to Middle East countries and some of the African countries also we are exporting. And we are using this all kind of CNC machines and no conventional machines also.
fantastic.
And our setup is in a 10-acre land, very big setup with
Okay,
70,000 square feet machining and manufacturing area. So
fantastic.
that's it about our company.
Great, sir. I mean, this is really good to know that you are also exporting outside India, which is good for country as well. Sir, can you please tell me about your relationship with Manav Marketing? From how long you have been using their machines?
Yeah, before 15 years back, we have purchased one Haas machine, number 3, and still it is working at our factory, and it is the performance and everything is good. And now also we are proposed to buy on next higher machine, for which we are already negotiating with these people, and they are also make consideration and so on, and we will decide within a month of time to obtain the machine. So we are very much happy with the house machine.
Okay.
Though it was imported from American machine, but it is still good. And the spares also they are supplying without any interruption, and we are very much appreciate them.
Great.
Okay.
So you are getting good after sales support as well.
Yeah,
Machine is also really good, and you're looking forward to add more machines.
yeah.
Great, sir.
Many machine, and one of the machine now we are going for number 4.
VF4. Thank you. Great, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank
It was
you.
pleasure meeting you. I wish you all the best that your business will grow and you will add more machines.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.